Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to do a video that I planned to do yesterday. It's just a couple items I picked up on HSN, but I was waiting for two more things to arrive, and like during the week they kind of messed with the delivery, and then it was supposed to be delivery yesterday, but then all of a sudden it was sent to another part of like LA instead of just like here, which is, well, San Bernardino. It usually comes straight here, and then they, put it out somewhere. So I have no idea what's happening. Now it says tomorrow, so we'll see. It's basically two Anna Griffin sets, the new borders that she brought. I don't know if they're new, but borders, and I bought two of those, and then something else. What was the other thing? Another set of hers. I can't remember what it was right now. But anyway, so I do have a couple things to share with you. One's, I think, an auto ship. The other one, or the other couple things I did order. So on Tuesday, because every Tuesday this month, now HSN, if you saw it, did say every Tuesday they'll be having a craft cart. So it sounded like for the year, but then if you look at the fine details, it says for the month, and maybe because it's like scrapbooking or whatever month, so they're having some kind of deal where every Tuesday they'll have a 750 cart. So I've been shopping on Tuesday. Well, the Tuesday before that was craft day, and then this last Tuesday just because it was Tuesday. They haven't had any free shipping or that since, or like in between there. But if I can link them, I will, and those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. I'm not going to open this one first. I can tell that's the auto ship. So let's open this other guy. I'm still waiting on another Stamps by Me bundle. There's one in here, but the other one's still on extended delivery. It's a couple of the new things they brought. And let me open this up. So I know one of them is in here. What is going on? That is crazy. Let me open this other box. That's weird, because I know, supposedly, I had ordered some punches and they were supposedly delivered, but I don't see where they are. Because this is definitely an auto ship. That's weird. Okay. Well, maybe before I get off here, I'll have to go and check my mailbox, which I did yesterday, and I know it was delivered before that, so I don't know where those are. Odd. Okay, well then I guess I only have two things to share. What a bummer. And then maybe tomorrow the other things will be delivered, and I'll figure out what is going on with the other. It was some punches, craft punches. What's old is new again, guys. So picked up some little punches that Crafters Companion had put out, but that's very weird. Okay. Alright, so this bundle here, a lot of times they don't really say on here what the names of the bundles are. Oh, well, Ethereal Love Paper Collection, but it might have been called Ethereal Love, this whole bundle. I do love that she has these QR codes that you can scan, and if she has videos for them, it'll come up. I haven't tried it yet, but there they go. So maybe you can check it out before you purchase it if you were interested and see what they have going on. But they did this. They did a Magnolia bundle. It's so weird because the Magnolia bundle has sold out. And then, at the end of the day, people just like cancel things that they might have ordered. Maybe they take them not out of their cart, but like as long as the item isn't in processing, I think you can cancel it. So that's what happens, and then they go back on the site, which is kind of a bummer because by then the shipping is different. Anyway, the Magnolia bundle is back in stock. That's all I'm trying to say. The next day, it was, there's still some of them. So if you like this style, maybe you like the Magnolia one too. I don't know. But this one's cute. It comes with these little like photo frame kind of thing. So it has the outer die, and then these aren't inlays. They make their own like matte layer. These two cuties. Stamp set again. Oh my gosh, I haven't asked you guys. I keep forgetting. I'm pretty sure these are acrylic. It doesn't say so, and it doesn't say on the thing, but I'll ask Tony. Better Together, Save the Date, Mr. and Mrs. Congratulations. Of course, it's geared towards, well, not of course, but it's geared towards like love and marriage and these kinds of things. But, oh, I don't know why that reminds me. I meant to tell you guys some more housekeeping really quickly. I'm sorry. I know people are like, oh, you always get off track. Yeah, I always get off track. Part of the video, since it's going to be quick, is I have a lot of things coming up. So my husband and I just decided on a wild hair to go to Vegas. I have never been there. He's only been there once, like 20 years ago, 25 years ago. I don't know. Probably 25 years ago. And maybe even longer. And we had some vouchers from Delta because they messed up they just canceled our return trip last time from Hawaii last year, and we have these vouchers that were going to expire. So we go to use them, and they are like so hard to use. His, for some reason, is expired, but everyone else still has the $100 to their name, but it's per person, and they didn't give me one, apparently. I didn't realize. And then they didn't, credit for me. And then the other ones it has to be under your daughter's name or your son, whoever else was on the party. So it's like, we can't even use it. So we just used our points. So we're going for free, which is nice anyway, but to Vegas. And then my mom's going to come to help with the kids because they have spring break next week. And so we're just going to do like an extended weekend. And then following that, I have an endoscopy coming up to check some stuff out. And then 2 weeks later, I'm going to have my wisdom teeth taken out because one of them started hurting me. And like, it's been coming through the skin and I can see it, or through my gum, and they've just been there, for the last like however long. My first dentist, or my old dentist, is like, oh, you have plenty of room for them, but one's coming in totally sideways and it's hurting my other tooth. And then they're like, well, while we're in there, we're going to put you to sleep. Might as well get the other one. So they're going to dig them out. Good, thank goodness they're towards the top, because I'm telling you, they're already coming through the gum. So I'm like, hopefully it won't be too hard for them to get them out. But that's another thing. So there's going to be a lot of things here and there that I have to deal with. On top of that, we have like RV things to take it to, get fixed, and not fixed, but like maintenance, and a bunch of other random appointments here and there. So it's going to be a very busy 3 weeks roughly. So just letting you know, in case I don't peek in here for one of the days, or, when I get my wisdom teeth taken out, who knows? So we will see. But yeah, so we'll be heading out to Vegas. If you guys know of any good shows, let me know, because I know everyone has their idea of what shows are good, and I would like to hear it, because it's kind of crazy when you order them online and they have like $50 fees or whatever for ordering it, Ticketmaster or these things, and I'm like, I'll just buy it when I get there. I don't know, we'll see. But so anyway, thorough love. Anyway, back to this. Let's look at the papers. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to some of these procedures, but that's okay. Things have to get done. Okay. Oh, look how pretty this is. I'm telling you, Tony does the most gorgeous. I mean, these look like those kind of printables that a lot of people do, like the people who like mixed media, fancy stuff. They have little printables that look something like this. So they're a single-sided. Look at this. Like these little books. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. And again, when they're presenting them, because I believe they presented this one, it's hard to see like everything up close, what they're doing. These are really cute. Oh my gosh, these papers are ridiculous. Look at this. Of course, you have to fussy cut these, or people who are good at that, put it on your die cutting machines and let it read it and cut around them. Look at the tabs, and then just like little squares. I mean, this is very mixed media, very cute, in my opinion. A lot of ephemera that you can kind of cut from. Look at exactly this kind of thing. I've seen people do printables where you make a pocket. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh yeah, little pockets. The other ones are like envelopes. Look at these. Oh my gosh, and I'll bet that fits inside of there. This is really cute. Oh my gosh, did they sell this by itself? Sometimes they'll have the paper pack by itself, because I would love some more of this one. I know Tony, since I meet, she has her own store. And then of course her YouTube channel you guys can check out. It's not called Stamps by Me. It's like, I think it's on here. Creative, here it is, maybe. How to Craft Network. So I think her YouTube is also called How to Craft Network. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Let me adjust that. It appears to be like nighttime. I know it's early, but it's so dark. Sorry, guys. I've been noticing that in my videos too recently. Sorry. Whenever there's a time change and seasons, like the lighting is just something I fight with. But anyhow, look how beautiful these are. So these are more kind of backgrounds. I love the purples. I mean, you can use that for anything. That's kind of why I picked this up, because I knew it wasn't specifically like wedding, but these are really pretty. I know Spellbinders is putting out a ton more papers, and with Close to My Heart, like going out of business or whatever they're doing, closing up shop, I think I should do more scrapbooking. I love the Anna Griffin scrapbooking stuff, so scrapbooking stuff. It's basically borders and papers, and I know people are like, oh, with Close to My Heart, what are we going to do? It's like, you can scrapbook anything, people. It's just, you need whatever. I like making mini albums better than a huge 12-inch scrapbook, but that's just me. I don't know. Look at these. These are vellum, you guys. Nice vellum. It's not super duper thick. I would say it's not on the very lightest vellum weight, but not like some of it, like the tonic vellum that's like super thick, or not as thick as the Anna Griffin vellum. So if that gives you an idea. It's really pretty. Look at that. I didn't even know this had vellum in it. Yeah, I would love this paper pack on its own. Look at this. Beautiful. It echoes the papers. Same patterns, but in vellum on some of them. Oh, this one's really pretty. It says thank you. Gorgeous. Okay, so we have those. And then I think there's the stencil set in this guy. Yeah, and she gave you the whole thing, so like, you know, you can use the cutout or these guys, right? You can go around these or use this as your stencil, right? Your traditional stencil. So very cool, and that's that bundle. Okay, and I'm so sorry. I wish I had the punches because this is a quick video. Okay, so I wasn't sure which auto ship this was. So this is the one from the winter or fall collections, if you guys remembered a while back, the sparkling winter and something hello fall or something. So this is the hello summer. So let's check this out. I do enjoy this. I really like the Gemini one. It costs quite a bit more. I want to say, you know, but here we are. Hello Summer collection includes 220 things. So I've been waiting to play with these because I was like, oh, I'll wait whenever, you know, HSN puts their overstock, and that way you guys can pick it up. I have not seen overstock of either one of this or the Gemini 2 collection, so I'm sorry. So I'll probably just start using these. Obviously, I have some other ones from the other iterations that have come out already, but let's check this out. So lots of papers in this one, if you guys recall. So this one's really just jumbled in here, huh? It's just like thrown in here. What is going on? Okay, well, these are not card bases. Look, they're just thrown in there. They got a little bit messed up, but these are matte layers, I suppose. So this one's a card base, 4x6. This is like a little, I think, 3.5-inch card. So it's like a lilac pinky color, more like pink, and then white pearlescent paper. These are all pearlescent papers. And then these layers that are 3.5 by 5.5, I guess. Yep. Just a few of those. Borders, again, you can punch them out. I don't know if you can see, it's like cut here, like laser cut. So there's white and pink that coordinates. This guy, you can just punch it out. It's like a little garland die cut. These guys that you're supposed to use like to make like little collages, or you can put them together. So this one has, I guess, several of the sprigs and flowers, some more borders that you can put like two pieces together like this, so it's kind of nestled in the middle. I guess you can put it at the end, but it was meant to be nestled in the middle. Acrylic stamp set where flowers bloom, so does hope, happiness blooms from within, birthday wishes, just because, sending good vibes. So just a bunch of everyday kind of things. Happy birthday, summer fun, take time to smell the flowers. The tags, a ton of tags. These are a really pretty pink color, like a fuchsia pink. Envelopes for, I guess, for these cards. That's the only size card. Yeah, so envelopes for your 4x6s. Pink rhinestones. Pink glitter, Summer Blooms glitter. I haven't used glitter very often, guys. I have to find more reasons to use it. Especially that kind. I don't put it in shakers because it just sticks to the acetate. So, yeah. Another way I usually use it is put a little glue, you know, in the center of like a flower or something, just pour it on there and then just let it set up and you have glittery centers or accents or however. I think the people that you want to watch that do a really good job with that is like Heartfelt Creations. They use glitter quite often. Glitter paste. This one's really pretty. It just says Hello Summer Collection. Little flower charms. There are like 2, 4, 6 of them. I want to say the other ones had more charms, no? Am I tripping? Maybe they only had 6. Again, more matte layers. Oh, something's in the middle of this one. I think these are probably, let me see, 5 3/4 and 5.5-inch matte layers. A little fuchsia kind of twine. A stencil that's very cute. Like the design on that. And let's look at these papers. So I guess we can leave it like this. So it comes with acetate. Again, these are really nice thick acetate sheets. So let me open this guy up. It looks like there are 2 different designs in here. They look like it's on the same one, but it's not. So the pink flowers and then the green leaves kind of thing. I suppose you can layer them over each other in your project. So yeah, there's 2 sheets of this pink fuchsia with those flowers. On the back it's going to be silver because that's how all these papers look. And this one's green, or green leaves. On the back it's silver. But yeah, I mean, you can pair these over each other. How cute is that? Okay, and I think those are 8-inch squares, yeah. And then the paper pack. So let's check these guys out. And I will work on these with y'all very soon. Single-sided, so that's good. So I can show the one side. Super bright, very familiar look that they've been doing, where it's kind of mottled backgrounds, or it looks like there's like gold flake or like little gold around there. Kind of a tan colored background with those pretty flowers. Let me show you that a little better. These are so pretty. Kind of a limey green background with little flowers. Look at the little white flowers. How cute. I feel like I see little birds in there, but I don't. I don't know why. I guess the way the flowers are pointy. These are gorgeous. Yeah, these are really, really pretty. There you go. Again, very similar. Starts becoming kind of almost repetitive. Doesn't this look the same? It's slightly different if you look at the flowers, but the colorway, and then it has a pink background, but they look very similar. This one, very fresh pop. I love that. I don't know why this reminds me of some kind of branding from like L'Occitane. Is that how you pronounce it? L'Occitane? L'Occitane? I like to say L'Occitane. I should know, but I don't. There you go. The yellow background. Cute little sunflowers popped in there. And then this one again, back to green and orange colorway. So that's that, guys. Sorry I don't have more to show you, to share with you this morning. Please keep an eye out for more videos. That will be it for today, I am pretty sure. Maybe another Hawaii video or something. I took a lot of like shorts footage and I haven't put them together, so we'll be doing that. But yeah, that's weird. I don't know. Hopefully the punches, gotta be somewhere. Like I said, it was just all mixed up. I was like, what is going on? There's a lot of like, delay, with the delivery and stuff like that. But thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, so it'll be a busy couple weeks, but we'll get through it, and I'll have videos for you. A lot of them are already piled up anyhow, or stockpiled, should I say, for like March Madness for Tonic, so keep an eye out for those. They're really, really fun. And I'm so sorry, when I put out my video yesterday for Spellbinders, I had mentioned that the Simon Hurley Twirling Tulips folder and stencil were back in stock, because I made my video on Friday afternoon, but I knew I wasn't going to release it to Saturday morning. But by the time I released it in the morning, they were already sold out. So less than 24 hours, they were gone. I was like, you got to be kidding me. Like, so I felt bad because I had mentioned in the video they were there. But on Spellbinders in the UK, they are still available. And yeah, that's neither here nor there, but hopefully it'll come back. I don't know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see y'all at the next one. Bye now.